Liberal government unveiled plans to make online hate speech a crime, although it excludes social media platforms for now. Washington-based Live Eye surveillance keeps constant and lets remote human workers yell if something suspicious happen in Black Panther. Michael B. Jordan would rename his rum JOU Watch after nationals in Caribbean pointed cultural appropriation. As Batty will have to live up to being number one in women's draw at Wimbledon after she was confirmed as top seed for championship. Warren Buffett resigned from Gates Foundation and donated his Berkshire Hathaway Inc. shares worth $4.1 billion to charity. Listing Committee of Hong Kong Stock Exchange has approved Chinese electric vehicle maker Xpeng for a dual primary listing. Facebook is expanding its shops feature to its messaging app WhatsApp in several countries and to Facebook Marketplace. Equity benchmark Sensex jumped over 100 points in early trade, tracking gains in index heavyweights Infosys, Hull, and more. ByteDance rival Quaiso Technology, a short video app developer, has reached a total of 1 billion global monthly active users. Tesla said on Wednesday it has opened its first charging station in China with its own solar and energy storage facility. Mazda said on Wednesday that it will suspend production temporarily at the Japanese plant in July due to chip storage. Scarlett Johansson will be feted with the 35th American Cinematheque Award during the organization's gala at the Beverly Hilton. Asian champion and star Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat has been top seeded in the women's 53 kg category for the panel of judges at the Court of Arbitration for Sport banned the Chinese swimmer Sun Yang for 4 years, 3 months for UK allows more than 60,000 fans will be permitted at the Euro 2020 semi-finals and final at Wembley Stadium for UEFA Euro 2020. India went to stumps at 64-2 on the fifth day of WTC final on Tuesday and will enter the reserve day on Wednesday. Shami was seen wrapping himself in a towel at WTC final, which made for some good fun for fans and comments on Shami's antics. Alcoholic beverages will be banned at the Olympics. Tokyo 2020 President Seiko Hashimoto said on Wednesday. Nasdaq ended at a record high on Tuesday, lifted by Amazon, Microsoft, and others as investors shifted their focus to growth stocks. Amazon wins a trial over the voice command technology to order groceries online with the Alexa digital assistant. Microsoft becomes the second US company to reach a $2 trillion market value. It gained 19% this year, outperforming Apple and Amazon. Russian President Vladimir Putin has warned that the coronavirus situation in some Russian regions is getting. Princess Latifah, who was the Caesar trying to flee the Sheikhdom in 2018, appears in an image showing she is in Spain. Gemstones that sparked a diamond rush to Eastern South Africa last week are just quartz after all, showed by testing and results. Brazilian pop star Anitta has joined Latin American financial startup Nubank as the seventh member of its board of directors. Moody's said countries in the oil exporting Gulf will remain dependent on hydrocarbon protection for at least the next 10 years. EU to act against the disproportionate among the British television and film content shown in Europe in the wake of Brexit. Senior financial services industry officials in London caution over laws for dividing working hours between home and Masters of the Universe. Revelation, an upcoming adult animated superhero series, will premiere on Netflix on July 23. Claudette Storm in US started destructive tornadoes and flooding on the Gulf Coast and caused a car crash that left 10 people. An attempt to save the Tasmanian devil has caused complete elimination of little penguins, according to BirdLife Tasmania. UN Right Chef was deeply disturbed by reports of continued violations, including executions in Ethiopia's Tigray region. Popular motorcycle stuntman Alex Horville died practicing for a world record jump at the Moses Lake Air Show in Washington. Australian government is finally taking China to World Trade Organization over Beijing's triple-digit duties on wine exports. M&M chairman Anand Mahindra shared a video of a British woman who mesmerized him by singing Golan Main Rang on Twitter. Twitter India has restricted 50 tweets in connection with the alleged assault of an elderly Muslim man in Loni, Ghaziabad. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson said travelers should face hassle and delays this year if they sought to go abroad. Facebook is going to be extra clear about the way it deals with satirical posts after a remark on Turkish authorities.